How many times did you move around in your chair since you sat down? Well, you probably don't realize, but as you're sitting, your blood vessels are compressed. Over time, oxygen will stop being supplied and your tissue will slowly start to die. You will get a pressure ulcer. Now imagine you couldn't move. Imagine you couldn't even feel the sore indicating that something is going wrong. Well, this is the reality for people with spinal cord injury and paralysis. Up to 70% of them will get a pressure ulcer, and some of them will die from the infection of these wounds. Currently, the treatment of pressure ulcers amounts to $11 billion just in the US, but this is a global problem, and the numbers will only keep rising with the increase in heart and brain disease. As you can imagine, a solution that effectively prevents pressure ulcers will not only lift this big burden from healthcare systems, but will also save lives and improve the quality of life of millions. We are a team of engineers with a mission to prevent pressure ulcers in all wheelchair users. We're initially targeting the highest risk group, people with spinal cord injury. The market for preventive solutions in the US in this population only is $200 million. We have spoken to doctors, patients, and caregivers, and we have developed a new approach that we believe is better than that of competitors. We're currently undergoing a small preliminary trial in collaboration with the University of Southampton to demonstrate this positive effect in healthy volunteers. But to get this device into the hands of wheelchair users, we need some help. We're asking for £2 million to cover manufacturing, operational costs, and the setup of a clinical trial, all of which will get us through to certification in the EU and the US. Before I end, I want you to think about this. In the next 24 hours, 2,000 Americans will get a pressure ulcer. They will be bedridden, and they will require intensive nurse care. But the worst part is, they would think this was inevitable. Help us change that. Thank you.